If you have a startup of quantum computing, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your quantum computing startup business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding tech question, demo and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming, hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. Not only that, you can also fill your data on Google Sheet as well. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your quantum computing startup business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here I will type a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a welcome message in which they welcome me to Pabbly Quantum. And with that, they have given me 3 action buttons: ask tech question, sign up for a demo, and need help. Let's click on ask tech question as I want to ask few questions to the company. As soon as I have selected ask tech question, they have responded me with a message that curious about quantum computing, ask anything about qubits, algorithm or real world use case. Type your question below. Example, how does superposition work in quantum computing? I will ask, how does algorithm work in quantum computing? After entering my question, they have messaged me that we have noted your interest. A quantum expert from Pabbly will reach out shortly to offer deeper insight. With that, they have given me a menu button. As soon as I have selected the menu button, they have responded with welcome message again. Let's this time sign up for a demo. To book a demo, they want few details of mine like my email address. I will enter my email address as. After my email address, they want to know about company or organization. I will enter my company name. After that, they want to know area of interest. Let's say I want to know about pharma. After filling each and every detail, they have messaged me that thanks, our demo team at Pabbly will connect you with 24 hours with a Zoom link and agenda. With that, again, they have provided me a menu button. Not only that, all of their details are automatically filled on Google Sheet as well. As you can see, email address, company name and area of interest. So as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and filled all the details on Google Sheet without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to build this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button of that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Under this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, there is contact section where you can create new contacts and manage according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template And by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, there is flow section. It is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. Below that, there is AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box as well. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be redirected to the flow builder page. To make a new flow, you need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. As soon as you will click on add flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by flow start. Now to build a flow, first you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. As we are making this chatbot for quantum computing startup, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for quantum computing startup. After giving a meaningful name, we need to know about 3 features which are given inside the flow start. Keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. After that, regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. Now, I'm going to enter my welcome message. For that, I will click on add content button and select the text button. Over here, I'm going to enter my message in which I will mention welcome to Pabbly Quantum, your gateway to the quantum future. What would you like to do today? And with that, I'm going to give few action buttons. To add action button, I will click on add button option and enter my text. Ask tech question. For my next action button, I will enter sign up for demo. And for my third action button, I will enter need help. Now for each action button, I will enter a separate message. Let's start with ask tech question. For that, I'm going to give a ask box to my customer where they are going to enter their question and that going to be stored as contact custom field so that our customer team or tech team could contact them and solve their question inquiry. I'm going to connect my action button with my question box. And over here, I'm going to enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that curious about quantum computing, ask anything about qubits, algorithm or real world use case. Type your question below. Example, how does superposition work in quantum computing? With that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as questions and my format as any. Now I'm going to send them a message in which I will mention that a team will contact them shortly. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I have mentioned that we have noted your interest. A quantum expert from Pabbly will reach out shortly to offer deep sight. And with that, I'm going to add an action button which says menu and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our second action button, which is sign up for our demo. To book a demo for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button and connect with my action button, which is sign up for a demo. Over here, I'm going to enter my message. I have entered my message. Ready to experience quantum in action. Let's get you scheduled for a live demo. Please share the following. Number 1, email address. Now I'm going to select my contact custom field as email and my format as email as well. After that, I'm going to ask my customer about their company. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please share company or organization. After that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as company and format as any. Now after knowing about company, last thing I want to know about the area of interest they want to book a demo. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please share area of interest, example finance, pharma, AI. After that, I'm going to select contact custom field as details and format as any. After filling every single details about my customers, I want to store these details on my Google Sheet. For that, I'm going to drag and drop. API request and connect with my previous question. Over here, I'm going to enter my URL. Now to get webbook URL, you need to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on all Pabbly app page. Over here, you need to click on Access Now button of Pabbly Connect. To create a new workflow, you just need to click on Create Workflow button, which is given on the top right corner. Over here, you need to name your flow according to what you are making. As we are making this workflow for quantum computing, I will name it according to that. And after that, I will click on Create button. Over here, you can see there are two steps, trigger and action. As soon as you will enter your trigger, action will be performed. Let's start with first step, which is trigger. Over here, you need to choose your app that you are working with. As we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will select Pabbly Chatflow as my app. And after that, I will select my trigger event as new message received. As soon as I have selected my trigger event, my webbook URL is generated. I will copy this webbook URL and I'm going to paste it on my API request. After entering my URL, I will select API request as post and I'm going to enter my key, which I want to store on my Google Sheet. Like this, where I have mentioned email address, company organization name, and area of interest. After that, I will click on test and save my API request. As you can see, I got a message that API request successful. That means my API request is error-free. Now, after connecting my webbook URL, I will send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I will drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter my message where I mention that thank you, our demo team at Pabbly will contact you within 24 hours with a Zoom link and agenda. As we are done with our trigger, let's move to our action section. For that, again, I'm going to open Pabbly Connect and over here, I'm going to select my app as Google Sheet as we are working with Google Sheet and I want to fill my data on Google Sheet. I will select my action event as new row and connect. Now I'm going to connect my Google Sheet with our connection. I will add new connection, sign up. My Google Sheet is successfully connected. Now I'm going to select my spreadsheet in which I want to fill my data. As I want to fill my data on sign up for a demo, I will connect that. After selecting that, all the parameter details that I have entered on my sheet are mentioned over here. Under this, I'm going to map my data as email for email address, company for company and organization, and details for area of interest. Mapping will help to automatically fill every details as soon as my customer enter on WhatsApp chatbot over my Google Sheet. After that, I will save and send test requests. This will save the value you fill above and will send data to the selected app for processing. A response will be received back once the processing is completed. As you can see, I got the response. Now, after connecting API request, I will send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Thanks, our demo team at Pabbly will connect you within 24 hours with our Zoom link and agenda. With that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu and I'm going to connect this menu button with my initial message. Now let's move to our last action button which is need help. For need help, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message which says need help, we have got you covered. A member of our support team will reach out to assist you shortly. And with that, I have filled all the details that are required to run a chatbot for quantum computing startup using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will not only collect the details but also store your details on the Google Sheet as well. On the last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.